Boom! Yes, folks, Hume again. So we had a video last time where we spoke about the elite squad, the SEAL Team 6, special forces, so to speak, to use military jargon. American military jargon, that is, right? Most of us, we are accustomed watching American TV, so you know what I'm talking about. Let me talk in this video about the bomb squad, the regular infantry, so to speak. Good. So in my bomb squad, basically, we're taking people of varying levels, right? The idea is that you want to pass. So in some cases, we have people who didn't pass before, and we do the necessary work to get them to pass. So maybe you jump from a 4 to a 2, or a 4 to a 1, as was the case in one particular instance last year. Some people come with a 5, and then they move from a 5 to a 3 or a 5 to a 2. Right? We haven't yet had a 5 to 1 experience, but I am sure someday soon we're going to get that. Right? Because there is an insane level of talent out here. Make no mistake, there are a lot of people with a lot of talent and a lot of ability. And they don't even know how much talent they have. And then when they come by me and I see them working, I say, hey, you could do this, you could do that, you could get a 1, you could pass. It usually takes them a little while to actually believe that themselves. But when they actually get it, when they reach that moment where they realize, well, look, I could pass this thing, I could do this thing, it's a totally different human being you start to see. All right? So that is the experience we're looking for with the bomb squad. Right? We're looking for the people who didn't pass and want to pass. And we're also looking for the people who they kind of floundering. They're not sure they're going to pass. Right? Maybe they were good in maths in Form 2 and Form 3. And for some reason in Form 4 and Form 5, they start to wobble a little bit. Alright? Maybe they had the first year of Add.Maths and they kind of, but then they realize, okay, if I could really get a little guidance somewhere, I could do this thing and I could pass and I could get a good grade. Alright? Now with the special forces, the SEAL Team 6 as I would call them, they're already at a level and they know they're at a level, so it's just a matter of going a little higher now. With the bomb squad, sometimes you had to actually convince them that they could do this thing. So that in itself is a little bit of psychological work. Right? And once people willing to put in the work and the time and the effort, sometimes they themselves are actually shocked by the progress that they make. All right, so we want to encourage your work ethic. Once you're willing to work, once you're willing to cooperate, then it's just a matter then of taking the guidance and moving forward with the thing. Good? So, for those of you and for people that concern you who getting problems with the maths, floundering with the maths, or you're not sure what to do, check me, 293-5712. That is the number to call.